Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the receiver model and checking firmware. Outdated firmware often blocks modern codecs. Once done, power the Onkyo and select the Bluetooth input, or press the BT button on the remote to open pairing mode. Make sure your source device's Bluetooth is on and set to discoverable so the receiver can see it. You do this now because entering pairing mode first prevents timeouts and forces the receiver to broadcast its name, which simplifies the next step. Once your device lists the Onkyo, tap it to pair and accept any prompts. If a PIN appears, use 0000 or 1234 per your manual. After pairing, check your device's Bluetooth audio settings. Choose aptX or AAC when supported to reduce latency and improve fidelity. Then, make sure the receiver's volume and speaker configuration are correct. Lower the gain initially to avoid sudden loud output. These steps align signal quality and prevent clipping, so you hear clear, correctly routed. To finish, play a familiar test track and walk through receiver menus to confirm balance, bass, and dynamic range settings. Small tweaks often fix perceived problems. If the connection drops or won't connect, forget the Onkyo on your phone and repair. That resets cached profiles. If audio stutters, move the source closer, reduce obstacles, and restart both the receiver and source. Bluetooth reliability often depends on distance and interference. This troubleshooting tip solves most issues without advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.